It's injection time. Hey, my name is Kia. This is Greater Expectations. And for those of you who do not know, I am currently taking Wegovy, the 2.4 milligram dose. And today just happens to be injection day. So let's do it. Okay, so this is the 2.4 milligram dose of Wegovy. And as you can see, the medicine is already preloaded and you can see the bubble through that window. There's the top, protecting the needle head. I don't know if you can see that needle head. It's a little tiny needle up in there. But when the scientists were in the lab creating this Wegovy pen, they had their thinking caps on, because I don't know who came up with that Ozempic pen, and I'm not complaining. I mean, you know, Ozempic is a wonderful medication. I was on it, me, myself, and I, you know, during the shortage, but it stressed me out. Changing needle heads and clicking and ticking, and, you know, I was confused. So when they went back to the lab on this, they did a good thing, because this right here is easy. You're gonna see what I'm talking about if you're not already on it. So I have clean hands. I am going to use a sterile alcohol wipe. It's suggested that you sanitize your injection site first prior to injecting yourself with the Wegovy pen. So that's what we're gonna do, friends. We're gonna go for this arm because I did my right arm last week. That's right, we're alternating. Okay guys, so this next step is really important. Okay, after you take the top off the pen, then make sure that you're holding the injection pen where you can see the window. Don't hold it like this, because you can't see the medicine being dispensed properly, and you don't, you know, you're relying on the clicks for it to finish. And if you're in a loud environment or you get distracted, you don't want to pull out the pen before it's done, right? So hold the pen like so, where you can see the window and you can see the medication entering into your body. I do my upper arm. That's where, you know, I'm most meaty. It's injection time. Okay, so here goes. I'm gonna put it up a little further. I can see the window. I'm gonna press down hard. Ooh. Boom. I like to hold mine for a couple of seconds just to make sure, you know, it's done its thing. And when you are complete, you will see a yellow plastic of some sort. That means that your medication has been properly dispensed. I can taste it. Also, when you first press down on this retractable pen, you know, like the initial injection, you hear a click, and that's the medication being dispensed out of the pen. In case you're wondering, I have never experienced any sort of leakage. And once again, I am on the highest dose. Not once has the medication ever leaked out of my body. Also, don't forget to get a red sharps container for your used Wegovy pens. I can link you one in the description box for your convenience. If you like this type of content, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! You don't need this. You don't. Yeah, I just pulled out the first thing. You know, I'm doing too much. You don't need that.